formation in the red, white and blue tone behind them. The white smoke comes on, they collapse into a arrow position. They'll reach a height of over 5,500 to 6,000 feet over the top of the loop. The smoke comes off as red one brings them back down to their display line.